the grassroots, bring them closer to the politics of development that is bringing to the people of Igbo land. They told us and they lied to us that Tinubu did not like us. We have seen as a man in Lord Diabo Yamarante Kama. I am Lord them no umbrella. I am Lunda Suzuga. Okama Kokama. Tunga Kama Kokama. Ebuzo de Kaiga Kapano. Mother Sunu Adari joined APC. Oga Drew no Mano Totona Jesus. Oga Drew no Mana Iana Jesus. People. The chairman that is standing beside me, a man I respect so much, a man that has conquered the work in the private sector, he has been a member of APC, he's still a member of APC. I want to assure you with his partnership and his support, soon, Ndoka Gachiochi. Oka Gachiochi. I know you are proud of Gachiochi. Woman. So on behalf of our party, we welcome you. You will not take the back seats. We will position you at the front of every of our meeting and our engagement. We know you as core politicians. We have seen your faces. We know who you are. Even though standing here, we know what you are capable of doing. When this number of people left PDP, another party, and joined APC, what is left in their party? Everybody shall. I'll say it one more time. On your mandate we shall stand.